You may have not noticed in the new version of Clockskin Transfer is the ability to install watch faces directly from the watch. So, as a demo, let's go to our community. Okay, Google+, sorry. Let's go to communities. There it is. Okay, so in our community, we can find, okay, here's a nice watch. I have already downloaded, but I'll download it again. Okay, here. There's a download link in here. Sorry, clicking on watch while filming with another hand is quite hard. Okay, so here's the download link. Yeah, it's downloading. Done. And now if I just click the download, it goes to Clockskin Transfer and it installs, in this case the zip had 6 watch faces, so they are all installed. If I'll go back home, here it is, change skin, and here we have the new watch faces. Let's try this one. Yeah. And that's it, new functionality of Clockskin Transfer. Hope you enjoy it.